basically lunchtime. I'm going to get the 44s mounted onto the Land Rover rims. Hopefully that goes quickly and easily, because the last time they had to use the air cannon for my 35s, so I have no idea how they're going to fit the 44s.
Got the stupidest thing never reborn. I was never meant to be in the starlight.
Pick up.
Als manual labor.
Ja.
Jeez.
Ja, misschien zal ik al doen.
Thanks man, waardeer moeite. Sorry, I've seen you long video. Cheers. Right, the tires are mounted onto the 10J Land Rover rims. The guys at Tiger Wheel and Tire Canal Walk did that for us for a big favor. Thank you. Excellent service. Now the next mission is going to be mounting this on the trailer. This is my biggest fear, because then only then we'll be able to see if the rim offset is correct to fit those wheels onto the trailer.
Always knew I was gonna get knocked out. I ain't got no grudge to.
The good news is, at least today, the trailer is, well, it's actually a trailer, it's on wheels. Mike and Fisher's here to help me out. We have to reinforce this thing.
This is for the binnenkring.
Yeah, this will purely be for the binnenkring area, which is going to be at the event itself. So we're going to try and transport this on top of something else to get it there, because we don't have time to legalize this on the road or get papers and all the necessary information and documentation for it. This will not survive that dirt road. I think rather it's safe than sorry, and put this on top of a trailer, get it reliably there and back safely, and then we can just enjoy the event. I don't have to worry about anything else. I'm gonna stop talking and then continue building it, because I get Mike's already looking at me.
I don't wanna be dead anymore.
We've got the tires here at Pierre's place, and it's looking awfully close to the frame over here. So we're just jacking up this trailer with the biggest jack I've ever seen at a home, well, never mind home premises. This thing's massive. How's it? Bearing sounds beautiful. This is on. This is the side that's supposed to be wide. Check the clearance between the tire and the leaf spring. Yeah, so luckily I got these Land Rover spacers. They're soft steel. This is gonna go onto there, and then this will fit. It will. Okay. Yes. Right, so another build update. It's been quite a while since the last time. Reason for that being we got quite busy and we realized we're not going to finish the stuff. So obviously a lot of boring stuff happened in the last few weeks or days. We've got the rig assembled, so you can actually see it for the first time, the complete rig. We're just getting final touches, safety in the front. We had to close this up for safety reasons, and then also attach the chains here, welded that onto. At the moment it's being towed around. Everything structurally is ready. We're doing some finishing touches. We're also going to mount the sound system, which is going to be two speakers and an amplifier. Still have to do all the wiring for the lights, which we're kind of behind on, so we're going to try and finish that hopefully in the next few days. This should be good to go. Oh, and also the keg, I forgot to show you the main feature. We've got an actual proper setup with a beer keg and a tap. This tap is going to be mounted here with a cooler box full of ice, chiller plate, and a 20-litre keg. That's from Michael from Saint Aunt Brewery. Yeah, as you can see, it's a bigger challenge transporting this thing there than actually building it, seems. It's on, finally. So we used the rope underneath Pugly, pulled by the chimney, to get the trailer on.
Accidentally left the camera in the car. What are we supposed to do?
We met up here at Canal Walk's parking lot, and Mike's bringing us a present.
I have,
for the
yes.
burn.
I have indeed.
Please tell us, what did you bring with?
Okay, so we have some delicious homebrew blonde ale. Very tasty, especially for the ladies, this one. They'll enjoy this one. And then we've also got 2 kegs of a really nice hoppy IPA. Nice and bitter, nice and refreshing. Quite strong, probably running at about 6.5% on this boy here. And then Woodstock Brewery, I've organised some really cool beer from these guys. 60 litres of a lager.
That's also, we're going to meet you up on Wednesday.
Wednesday afternoon I should be there.
Hopefully I'm going to know how to connect this all set up. If not, we're going to have 6 kegs of beer by Wednesday to Sunday. So that should be amazing.
Have you made any modifications for guys to pull it around?
Yeah, we have. We've made a little go-kart thingy. So you can basically put people on a harness in front. And then they pull the whole
like
rig.
dogs.
Yeah, exactly. Hush.
And then they're only allowed a beer. So we see we've made them.
So
I think it's a good plan, man. It'll work. It'll work, man.
That's the what do you call it? The treat for the dogs.
You're gonna get thirsty before you start drinking.
Here's a bit of a build update. Today is Saturday. We're busy packing. I put Liz on to work here as well. She's busy installing Pugly's canvas canopy with the screws. If this comes loose, we know who to blame.
We'll blame Henry because he gave the wrong instructions.
We've put in Pugly, we've got 2 40-litre water tanks in there, and we've got another 60 in the trailer. That should be more than enough for drinking water with showering water. My solar setup is connected, that's on top of the roof on Pugly. And then we've got the Victron solar controller right here, Bluetooth connected. We've got our inputs here, 13.2 volt at the moment, and this is powering the distribution box down here, which has got all the connections for the 2 fridges, and then also connected to the 2 deep cycle batteries right there. The 2 fridge and the freezer will run inside the vehicle, and then also we've got all the carrier bags for equipment and tools and accessories and stuff. And yeah. The trailer is officially on the road. This is Sunday, packing day still. Michael hooked up the trailer to the Ford Ranger. We're taking that over to my place, and then we're going to put over the shade netting on top to save the palm leaves before they get destroyed on the highway. We're just testing out, doing a quick run to make sure everything is road legal and working safely.
Buddy wil saamkom.
Hey buddy, hi buddy, hi buddy. Mooi saartje. Equality. Choo-choo. Right, so we had to build a little jockey wheel for the trailer because we couldn't tow the thing by vehicle. This is our official jockey wheel, and this is going to be human powered with the harness. Now we have to load it up, get it onto the big rig, and then trailer it there. So hopefully we don't lose anything on the Tankwa road. The road's in good condition, but the driver driving this thing, I'm not sure of him.
So it's you driving?
No, that's why I'm not driving. Otherwise I would have lost this whole setup. Cheers Mark, see you tomorrow. Cheers, 5 o'clock. Yes! Bye. Yeah, Lizanne. Let's get our stuff packed and ready.
Yep.
We have to hook up the trailer. Okay, Pugly is at the house. We've got the trailer in the garage as well, packing that up. The beer is in Pugly, as well as the rest of the beers in the Ford Ranger. We're just busy packing this thing up. Lizanne's still cooking the food. We need to freeze that, get into the freezer. Pre-cooked meals just in case dust storms come up and we can't braai. I think that's everything. And then the next shot will be tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock AM.